Hi, it's Jessica Mattern here from Keller Williams Realty, and today I'm here to invite you to our upcoming seller workshop. So we found that homeowners who have been in their home for many years often feel very overwhelmed with the thought of putting their home on the market. They have so much stuff in their homes, they're concerned about repairs they have to make. What do they have to do to get their homes ready for the market? Well, we are here to demystify the home selling process for you, and that is what our home seller workshop is basically going to do. We're going to start with home staging. Which repairs are necessary and which aren't necessary. We want to make sure that if you're spending money to put your house on the market, that you're going to make money back. We don't want you spending money in the wrong places. We're also going to talk about timing. You know, everybody thinks about how I want to put my house on the market when my flowers are in bloom, but maybe that's not the best time to put your house on the market because that's when everyone else is putting their house on the market. So we will go through that. I have statistics, I have data on everything, so we'll sit down and we'll determine which is the best time for you to put your house on the market. You'll also learn about pricing your home to create the most interest, which will keep you in the driver's seat throughout the whole transaction. And you'll also learn what happens when you overprice your home, which puts the buyer in the driver's seat. And then if you do make that mistake, what steps you should take to correct that quickly. We will talk about marketing and creating the widest reach for your home. Is it a local buyer? Is it a buyer from Dallas or from across town? Is it a buyer coming from another part of the state or a relocation buyer coming from across the country? So casting a wide net will create the most interest, which will get you top dollar. And we'll discuss all of that. The photography is hugely important. We will talk about the importance of professional photography, even drone photography, twilight photography, wide-angle lens photography, and layering images in photography, which is called HDR. That's where you get to bring in the greenery from outside inside. You know when you see those photos and they have the windows whited out? You don't want that. You want to make sure that your greenery comes inside. We'll talk about taking exterior photos of your house now instead of waiting until the winter when everyone else shows their homes with leafless trees. So how can you give yourself the edge in putting your home on the market? Well, there's so much more. We'll have an hour and a half and we'll have snacks for you. You'll be able to ask our entire team questions and you'll walk away with a plan to prep your house now and sell when you're ready with our Sell on Your Own Time program. So go to matternteam.com/events. Again, that's matternteam.com/events. Look at the dates and sign up. Thanks for listening.